Hey y'all, it's your girl K0Y and I'm back with another video. Bear with me guys, I'm really trying to be consistent. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's been hard, but I'm doing my best. So right now I'm about to go to the hair salon and get my hair done, y'all. Just waiting on my ride to come so that we can go. Currently 10 o'clock in the morning. I have to go do my hair and I have to go do a couple other things. So just come with me during the ride. True Ghana living. You guys are probably wondering, why does she ride a motorbike? It's dangerous. You have to live dangerous sometimes. You have to live a little. You have to be crazy. Most times they give me a helmet, but I'm not going far, so I didn't get one today. All right, y'all, so I'm at the salon. Shout out to La Burla. I go to them for pretty much everything. They do nails, hair, everything really. Makeup, like everything. Hello everyone. She also did my nails, Bella, the owner. She ate. Yeah, so come to La Burla Spa and Beauty Lounge. Yes. Alright y'all, so I'm getting my hair done in the salon. But I'm tuned in to Riot Radio. Stream Crop Top Florence, if you haven't listened to it already, and Stream On Go featuring me. They live right now on Riot Radio, and I'm showing support from the hair salon. Cause I'm Nike Tech. I can't go back. Period. But yeah, we in the salon with it. I'm about to look like a baddie. I'll let you know when I'm done. I literally had no idea that this was recording without sound, so bear with me for that. I really apologize for that, but I was just showing y'all my hair. My hair looked so good. They always do a good job on my hair, and I was just telling y'all, like, I'm waiting for the curls to fall. So yeah, but I hope you guys liked it. Yes, it's so cute, so bouncy, so lovely. Oh my god. Okay guys, so literally the day before this video, I got asked to perform my song On Go with Riot Radio at a Kosovo International School. So this is me just in the car on my way to meet up with them so we can head to a Kosovo. So yeah, this is what the majority of the video is going to be about. Just going to be about us performing and hanging out in the Kosovo. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm also giving y'all a fit check, a drip check. I got my Chanel glasses with me. You feel me? Always got to keep the Chanelies on you. And then I had my regular shades. I love these shades, first of all. They make me look so mysterious and clean and sharp. I had my New Balances on. I had my purse. I thrifted that purse for 20 cedis. Stop playing with me. I'm just playing. Stop playing. But the drip was insane. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, the drip was insane. So, yeah, enjoy this vlog of me in a Kosovo.
Always have something to do. Keep yourself busy so that you don't think. You can't say you wouldn't think about your problems, but just keep yourself busy. Just keep working, and you get what you deserve eventually.
Yo. Yeah, this piece is insane. Period. Bye bye. What's up?
How did we get to you? So,
Oh, okay. You know, big Casey, big sauce girl.
Gang shit.
so now where's Connie?
My question
Bro,
is, what's a food?
You don't prepare for.
You go shock on, bro. You shock on, say go.
Give us 5 minutes. Then no go on. Because I do the word Connie, basically.
The chain is insane, bro. It's literally insane. Early morning, got the body. This nigga don't give no fucks. Alright, y'all. So we stopped in a breed to get some palm wine, sip some wine. We got Baba. Hey.
Get everything on time today.
No, literally, I have to. Everything. 420. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. So we stopped to get some palm wine. We finna sip some drink. You know what I'm saying? Got some drink. I'm excited. Type shit. TTS. Ticket flicks. For the gang.
Yeah, yes, we coming.
Hey. What's up, niggas?
Yo,
We out here on the road.
We got
a little break.
Akosombo trip season.
Yes, I love
Chilling
it.
with some palm wine drinkings.
Literally.
Trying to shout out Bizzle for some king size tapping, but she's on
But yeah,
photography
we'll be
duties.
on the road soon.
Yes,
It's
sir.
yeah.
Sure.
We stopped to get some drink.
Aye.
Alright.
Sure. Yeah.
Y'all got my palm wine. Say what's up, y'all.
Fire blaze, so we burn the trees. Fire blaze, so we blaze. We like kingdom come. First song, if you don't get this song, nobody get this song. Then they used to piss song.
Y'all, so we in Akosombo. We made it safely. We are at the Akosombo International School. Yes, guys, we all made it there safely.
Made it. We're about to go on stage like
Yes, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Riot Radio.
Riot Radio. Ooh, peep the merch, y'all.
Riot Radio.
Yes. Yeah, y'all, we made it to Akosombo. We made it to Akosombo safely. Y'all see that view? Yeah, it's giving. You know what I'm saying? I gotta always look my best every time I step. Okay? Always look your best every time you step out the house. You never know who you're gonna meet. You never know who you're gonna run into. And I don't even got no makeup on. No makeup. Y'all, let me tell y'all how my edges sweated the fuck out, bro. My edges sweated out. They don't want me to win. I'm about to shoot my eyes. I'm just playing. Almost. Hey, I got the bullseye. Y'all saw that? Shit.
Hey, you like you so itchy.
L?
8.
How much is it?
For 8. Just to shoot. 800.
For air?
Yeah, if you just want to shoot the air, 100.
What the fuck? That's more than actual bullets. Thank you so much.
We in Akosombo International School. Riot Radio, we had a show. It was lit. My bells got fucked up, so improvise.
10 over 10. Dressed down to the nines, though. Period. Why are you laughing?
How was it for you?
The show was so cool. Let me tell y'all, I was shaking performing. Like, I was literally shaking, but everybody said I killed it, and the crowd was lit. So the whole performance was fire, though.
I mean,
like,
look around. Everyone is literally having fun. Yeah, back to you.
Yeah, so stream Crop Top Florence, tune into Riot Radio, stream Activate. Activate, hey, 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 you know what I'm saying? Tap in, tap in.
Bizzle. Say what's up.
Say we just said some Gabriela.
Gabriela. Mission to find Gabriela. Hello. Hey.
You know like Gabriela did. The entertainment people, the girl. So how you know?
What's up with you guys?
So you guys get us.
I'm calm though. I hope you don't mind. Hey. Why you guys just here? You vibing?
Can we make an announcement to find Gabriela?
Credo, yeah, on a mission to find Gabriela.
Enter P.
Enter P.
Okay, y'all, so now we are at Africa.
Islam always saying that.
Africa with the vibes. Is that the frogs?
Foggy.
You ever hear that? Okay, guys. So my camera died shortly after I filmed that video. So I am so sorry to end the video here, but we didn't really do too much. We just stayed there, talked, chilled, reminisced, and reflect on our day performing for Kosovo International School. It was such an amazing experience, and thank you so much for having me and Riot Radio come there and perform for you guys. You guys were such a joy. Until next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your uncles, cousins, dogs, family, all that. Bye.